no? Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo kumita sa site na to guys. So na guys, no? Tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo mag-sign up. Lagyan nyo po yung phone number, login password, then security password, then click nyo po yung registration. So guys, no, pag nakapag-login na po kayo guys, no, meron pong announcement si Welcome to Tronosu. First deposit to activate miners to get 1 to 10 TRX or USDT random rewards. Recommended to invest in TRX or USDT cycle project 1.2% to 9% of income. Can be withdrawn in full after the end of the contract period, principal plus income. Participate in cycle investment. You can contract customer service to receive additional points plus TRX activity bonus for free. The number of activities is limited per scam per serve, so stay tuned. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa ating apps na Tron USU. So yun guys, meron tayo dito recharge, withdraw, team, cooperation, find small, lucky draw, activities about us. So yun guys, no, meron tayong pupuntahan na ang ating trade. So yun guys, no, may trading profit 24 hour settlement plus 6% cloud mining is working. So yun guys, na-up natin dito guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating invest. So yun guys, no, pumunta tayo sa ating invest guys. Invest, USDT daily return 1.2% cycle 1 day. TRX daily return 8% cycle 1 day. TRX daily return 2% cycle 3 days. TRX daily return 5% cycle 45 days. TRX daily return 7% cycle 90 days. USDT daily return 5% cycle 7 days. USDT 3% cycle 30 days. USDT daily return 7% cycle 45 days. USDT daily return 9% cycle 100 days. So guys, no, after natin sa invest tayo guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, no, nakalagay dito guys, no, invite your contact or friends and earn rewards. So yun guys, no, ang gagawin nyo guys is share nyo yung referral link nyo, then i-send nyo sa mga friends nyo para maka-earn kayo ng rewards. I-share nila sa Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. So meron tayo dito guys na promotion account, commission ratio. Level 1 is 12%, level 2 is 5%, level 3 is 3%. For example, subset recharge 100 TRX case. Level 1 deposit 100 TRX to get 12 TRX. Level 2 deposit 100 TRX to get 5 TRX. Level 3 deposit 100 TRX to get 3 TRX. Unlock your wealth password and give you one more chance to make money easily in your life. So yun guys, na-up natin dito sa ating share guys is magtutungo tayo sa ating my. Yun guys, no, nakalagay po dito yung number natin na 0908479482. Invitation code is 1071. So yun guys, nakalagay dito guys yung TRX total balance, recharge account, reward account, investment principal, mining revenue. Then ito yung wallet natin guys, is same lang po sa kabila. So yun guys, meron 4 types dito guys, na meron account recharge, amount withdrawal, investment transaction, withdrawal records. So yun guys, pwede tayo mag-invest dito, recharge, point details, funds details, wallet, about us, lucky price, team, and invite din yung app. So yun guys, after nito guys, no, dito tayo magtutungo sa amount withdrawal guys. Meron USTRX and USDT. Account recharge. So yun guys, no, dito nakapunta tayo sa ating recharge. So yun guys, no, ikakopy natin yung link dito guys. Ang nakalagay dito guys is TRX TRC20 USDT. Invest 10 times TRX or USDT for the first time to inactivate the mining machine and randomly reward to 1 to 10 TRX or USDT. So yun guys, no, copy natin yung link guys. Then guys, after nito guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa ating Binance guys. So paano nga ba tayo makaka-withdraw dito guys? Magtutungo tayo sa ating wallets. Then meron 3 types dito guys is deposit, withdraw, and transfer guys. So magtutungo tayo sa ating withdraw guys. Check natin guys yung TRX, send via crypto network. Long press natin guys yung copy natin sa link. Nilagay natin guys yung amount dito guys. Tapos click natin yung withdrawal. Send TRX. So So yun guys, na malalabas dito guys na verification. Code will be sent to our number, call will be sent to our Gmail. So guys, click natin itong dalawang send code. So yun guys, na nakuha na natin yung code natin sa number natin guys, nakuha na natin yung code natin sa Gmail. So, nilagay natin dito yung code na dalawa. Then, click natin guys yung submit guys. So yun guys, no, request submitted na guys, na napaka-legit talaga ng apps natin guys. Anong pang hinihintay nyo, mag-sign up na kayo guys at mag-invest na po kayo. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa akin na lawas ng mga bagong video.